Welcome to a moment with Rukwaru. It's Rukwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. I hope you enjoyed my other video about older persons and how they cut the social circles of their friends as time goes on. This morning, I want to discuss on men who pretend to be nice but actually they aren't. You know, there are some people who pretend to be your great friends, and this one is also going to help, especially the ladies. So, men who pretend to be nice, but actually they aren't. How can you be able to know them? What are their characteristics? What are the things which are the telltale signs which can tell you this person, although he is looking nice, he is not the way he looks or the way he portrays? One, these people, they are inconsistent with their behavior. What do I mean by being inconsistent? Sometimes you find they may look to be very good people, sometimes they may be laughing, then other times they are sad. You find that their temperature, or rather their temperament, is very different. These people, this is a sign that these people are not genuine. They keep on fluctuating. They keep on having characteristics of a chameleon. You know the way the chameleon tries to change its colors. This person is the type of a man who are pretending to be nice, but actually they are not. So they are inconsistent with their behavior. Then they use what we call back-handed compliments. What are back-handed compliments? For example, they tell you, I love how you don't care about what you wear. You find that actually it's a compliment, and still there is something hidden there. You see, I love the way you don't care what you wear. So you find this is not a genuine compliment, it's a back-handed compliment. It's something positive, and then negative is also there. Then you find that these people, these men, they are always on the defensive. So even when you are trying to correct them, they are always going to give justification. They are also going to have blame game, trying to show that there is someone who made them do that. With them, they are just very innocent. So you find that they are always blaming others and then denying they are responsible. Another point is that they find that they are not empathetic. What do I mean by being empathetic? That is understanding and sharing the feelings of others. These people, even if you're in a problem, they are not empathetic. They don't put themselves in your shoes. Then these same men, they rarely apologize. Even if they are wrong, they will simply go round loud, but they will not say they are sorry. Then these men, they are also overly over-controlling. They don't give you space, they all control, and they find that they are also very militant and authoritarian in their approach. And then these people, though they might seem to be your friends, they are overly critical. They are overly critical, and they will find that apart from overly critical, they also don't respect boundaries. What do I mean by boundaries? You know, relationship has got boundaries. When you say, please, this is what I like, this is what I don't like, they simply don't want to hear that they cross boundaries. So, ladies and gentlemen, these are things which you can look at a man who is pretending to be nice, but he is not genuine. Otherwise, thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I also appreciate those friends who have also subscribed to the YouTube channel A Moment with Rukwaru. Have a great day. Thank you. I value you.